Hey guys, welcome back. I know I posted a video yesterday, but I have another one. I went to Walmart last night and I picked up 2 packs of squishies. The Harry Potter squishies. I've been trying to find the Harry Potter squishies for a while, and I got some new emojis. Let's start with Harry Potter, because I've been looking for these ones for a while, because I've seen people on YouTube have these, and I can't find them. Okay, so first one is Gryffindor. Very slow, isn't it? Gryffindor, and then we have Hufflepuff. We have Ravenclaw. And we have Slytherin. Now, with these, I want you guys to go down in the comments and tell me who, if you went to Hogwarts, what house would you be? I would be Gryffindor, because I like Harry and I like Hermione. I like Ron and them, so I would be Gryffindor. Now you go in the comments and tell me who you would be. Would you be Gryffindor? Would you be Ravenclaw, Slytherin, or Hufflepuff? You guys go in the comments and tell me who you would be. What house? I hope this video ain't messed up today. What house you would be? Now let's open the emoji. These are keychain squishies, so you can put these in your keychain, or you can collect them like I do. In a big old bin, like I do. I put it in a bin. Look at the little packaging, it's so cute. All the little emojis like that. And the little Harry Potter one is cute. Okay, the first one is a donut. The change out a little bit. Okay. A donut. And then we have a unicorn. Yes, a unicorn. Oh, yes. And then we have an emoji with headphones on. So cute. And we have a poop. A rainbow poop. Now, and then now I want you to go down in the comments and comment below which one of these was your favorite. Was it the donut? Was it the emoji poop? The rainbow poop? They're all soft, guys. They smell kind of good too. Was it the emoji with the headphones on? Or was it the unicorn? So go down in the comments and comment what was your favorite. And tell me what house would you be if you were in Griffin, if you went to Hogwarts. So if you went to Hogwarts, who would you be? I would, like I said, I'd be Gryffindor because I like the Gryffindor people. All the people that were from Gryffindor, I love y'all. Harry, Hermione, Ron, Ron's sister, Ron's twin brothers. I think all of Ron's family was in Gryffindor. Okay, guys, so that's it for now. I'll see you guys later. But you know what my favorite was, this the unicorn. I love all the squishies that I got, but they're all cool. I want to show you guys how soft and so soft. It smells pretty good. That smells good. Okay, so see you guys later. I'm trying to post more often because I know I don't post as much, but I'm trying to post more often. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.